This profile they're reviewing belongs to Trisha Clark. And right off the bat, which you'll hear me talk a lot, we want to make sure that the banner actually stands out. The biggest issue I see with the banner is I like this picture, which adds that she's, drinking a glass of wine, which matches with her kitchen witch vibe. Is that the yellow of this reflects so much the yellow in the back here and the yellow in this other picture that everything is kind of getting washed out. There's no opportunity for anything to stand out. Um, so I would make a point to choose something that's very different in terms of color. If she wanted to, she could probably do a gray. I don't know. She's a really vibrant, like these pictures are vibrant. The topic is vibrant. Um, I might choose something. But anyway, I do like her tagline, crafting magic and memorable moments through food and connections. I'd probably take out the three ellipses. Um, uh, anyway, so we could do that kind of stuff. The other thing we want to talk about is her profile is really interesting if you go and check it out because she is actually her full-time day job is in category management and her kitchen witch stuff is her essentially a side hustle, right? Where she gets to work on her business. And she has chosen, right? There's always a choice to use her LinkedIn profile for her side business. So then the question is this relevant here? Does she need this here? Right. Uh, also, if you take the master class, you'll see why I'm not thrilled with help statements. I talk about this in other people's profiles as well because it's too tedious to read and don't make me think when I'm quickly looking at your profile. If I have to think too hard, I'm not doing that stuff. So anyway, so I want you just to kind of pay attention to those kinds of details. But she's got a really decent profile for a business owner. And but she's another one, 66 skills. Are they all relevant to what she's doing? I'm not saying she should get rid of all of them, but that's just something to just pay attention to. I would probably get rid of as many as I possibly can, unless she's looking for another job. Okay, so a big thank you to Trisha for letting me review her profile. If you would like a quick review of your own profile, let me know in the comments and I'll tag you if and when I'm able to do it. Thanks.